Welcome to Scientific Remedies at the Red Show channel. Today topic Makar and Kumbh, two Rashi zodiac sign in our zodiac sign Rashi Chakra, having same ruling planet, that is Saturn, but health, wealth, characteristics are different. Why? Main reason, Makar and Kumbh having separate element, they are having gender separate, characteristics fixed and movable, different type. So result are different. I am clearly explaining the differences. Element wise, Makar is earth element. Saturn's energy here is grounded and materials. It focuses on physical result, tangibility, and the real world. This makes Makar native practical, hardworking, and security oriented. Saturn hardworking, disciplined always. Here, these qualities are more prominent. Kumbh, as it is air element, Saturn's energy here is intellectual and social. It's focused on ideas, systems, and the collective mind. This makes Kumbh native, visionary, philosophical, and focused on humanity rather than just themselves. Then, characteristics in case of Makar, it is chore, not fixed. Being cardinal chore, Makar is an initiator. It uses Saturn's discipline to climb the ladder of success and starts new venture. This fate often involves a steady upward rise to ambition. But Kumbh, it is the fixed sign. Being a fixed sign, Kumbh is a stabilizer. It uses Saturn's discipline to maintain and protect its ideologies. They are known for their subconsciousness and consistency in this belief and social circle. Again, comparatively, Makar female. Gender wise, Makar female. Makar is considered the ninth house of the Saturn. It is more private, cautious, and self preserving. The focus is on personal achievement and the family security, whereas Kumbh is male characteristics. Kumbh is the day house and also the multi sign of Saturn. Here, Saturn is more comfortable and expensive. Its focus, its outwardness, looking at society, friendship, and large scale. So, characteristics wise and their full life depends on their characteristics. Naturally, health, wealth, and relation will be different for Makar and Kumbh. Hope you understand the topics. If you like it, then like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.